285 FY for meta here.
I might get the video ready. Kind of liking the way this is moving right now.
You didn't like it at on 144?
No, I do like it at 144. I'm saying I'm gonna pull that up right now because Meta, I doubt I would. Yeah, I'm not taking on the first candle. Tesla, I'm just really waiting on. So I mean, I really have nothing ready for the open. The video seems like the most realistic one happening as of now.
I'm cool with just chilling right here at the open and waiting and seeing.
Yeah, nothing's happening
I don't
right
want to rush nothing.
now.
We've had a great week so far. No need to, go crazy today.
I'm back. Done showering.
We are being chilling.
Shit, meta is low key kind of moving.
Yo, thanks for taking the review earlier, by the way.
Is that not moving?
Yes, sir.
Yo,
you were pretty lucky because normally I'm in the bathroom at that time.
Yeah, meta is
yo, I'm getting meta ready, bro.
Seems like it, huh? Yeah. George, you hear us?
Oh.
Yeah, I scalped it already, but I'm willing to scalp it again at 700.
But
Bro
just
didn't
because it's the
say
Friday.
nothing, by the way.
Tesla's at 301 as well.
AMD is strong. Didn't George have something on that?
I think he liked 120.
No, fuck no. I don't like AMD. Not today.
Oh, not today.
No.
But you did like it though.
I did like
Tesla.
3 days ago.
But we would do.
What's your alert here on Meta, Frank?
699.70. If we go straight up there,
You're
I'm
gonna
not
take
taking it. I need
699.80,
a
right?
pullback or a rejection.
Okay, so zone failing and even a close below the zone here on Tesla. This is why I want this to hold. I'm sending the picture here. So strictly focusing on Meta at the moment. Beautiful zone right there.
Yeah,
I'll send the
fire.
I'll send the picture here in bigger detail.
Yo, Meta's getting
Meta
close.
guys, get ready.
I can't want red to green.
I'm gonna size a lot lighter, because this is just pushing straight up. So just remember it's Friday. I'm gonna have a tight stop as per usual. So our target would most likely be around 701. Just looking for a scalp on this. I'm in. There you go. Got the break there. Still waiting for 701.
Oh God,
10 cents off.
Oh.
There you go.
Yeah, I tried to paper trade that shit, nigga.
That was fire.
Trying to sell right now.
Didn't let me.
That was so fast, bro.
All right,
Holy
there we go.
shit.
Sold.
Yeah.
That took forever. Holy crap. I was trying to sell marketing and it wouldn't even sell me.
Really?
All right, guys. Yeah, I sold. I'm out. Quick scalp. Like I said, we touched 701.
Nigga, wait,
so-
what? Yeah, I
It's
was
still
waiting.
doing the right things here, guys.
I tried to do the paper
Trying.
nigga.
Look
So-
at QQQ.
I don't know what percent that was. Probably like 15 to 20, but
I
it
tried to
was
the
more than enough on a
paper trade the
Friday.
700 one.
I went in crazy light and made like what I made yesterday.
I made 2200 and I went in late. Those
Sick
contracts. Thank you. Yeah, those contracts did
That was
numbers.
actually nice. That was
Yeah, bro, they went crazy. Let me see.
Perfect sell too. It couldn't that's beyond perfect right there for a Friday.
Yep.
Yeah.
actually crazy.
Yeah, that was crazy, Frankie.
Oh, did you hear it?
Yeah. Yeah, wait, you said paper trading works. Nigga, I did the paper trading shit. It did
Nor
not
this,
work.
nor that. You guys are stressing over here. You guys got George, Benji, and I.
Yeah, that was
I went on paper trade. I
23%
did
for me, Frank.
market. I did one.
I don't know what the
contract,
exact
right?
percent was.
Whatever.
Yeah, something like that.
Nigga, it's.
I would have gone
I'm
higher,
waiting
but
for the buy thing
it
to
just
show
wasn't
up, and
selling
it's
me.
literally not
Even for
What'd
a
you get,
market
like
order,
420 on the fill?
I was starting to freak out a little. Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I was trying to set it like a fucking market order, and nothing is fucking working. Yeah, I mean, I guess I could have paper traded that in my head. I mean, that's what I'm gonna do from now on.
I heard George got what Tesla off the open.
No, no,
Nah, he
hell
he
no.
didn't meta.
No, I didn't matter.
Meta.
Just rejected 701.
Wait, that was the only
right?
trade he took.
Yeah.
George taking 2
Oh.
trades.
Just
Yeah.
Oh,
You didn't tell the chat though.
Yeah.
About that one.
oh, yeah, that's what
That
I
one
thought.
was
I like,
risky, and I was gonna retry it where you tried it.
I'm just giving you a hard time.
Probably
Right.
just gonna be
First
focused
it
on
wouldn't sell for
Tesla
me. I
now.
would have made 3,500, but it wouldn't sell. Yeah, bro. I was up. I think around. If I got the sell that I wanted, I was up around.
Tesla, could you have not played the
Let's see, that
300
many
break?
contracts, probably around 3K.
What was your average on that? I had
Yeah.
366. Was that good or bad?
I got 364. I played it as safe as possible because it touched it
Yeah,
and I
mean,
waited,
makes sense.
and
Yeah, but at
then
least you
it
made money,
held
nigga.
around like that 69 cent on level 2, and I was like, okay, this is good. And that's
What was
when I
what
signaled.
was fucking Frankie's entry? Because I heard this nigga say that he was. Yeah,
Yeah, Karthik, that's the fill
He
that
did
I
a
was trying
whole
to get,
dollar
bro.
and 30 cent
440.
move.
Because the spreads, I know the spreads got a little wide because they got from like what 420 to 450 for a second. But when the spread got tight, I was trying to sell mark and it just wouldn't. So
But I mean, you saw it was
Glad you
moving
got
too,
it, though.
nigga. This shit was moving. Like, I mean, yo, Loki, that 695 break was kind of.
Frankie, can
I
you
mean, I
explain
don't know.
what you were watching
Actually, yeah,
on the
nah, that
entry
was
again?
ass. But
What I look at when I'm about to
it
get
was
in?
ass. It already broke. It broke like before market. Yeah.
Like if I'm taking any trade, I'm like based on my alerts and what I tell you guys, I'm literally looking at level 2, basing my entry off of that. Now there's other factors that go into effect.
Yeah.
Right? I'm also looking at market sentiment. It's like reading the candles, reading
Wouldn't
how
that be
strong
like
the stock
another
is or how weak it is. Reading time to sales,
701,
reading
700?
the
Wouldn't
flow
that
on that,
still be
seeing
a
who's in
still
control, who's
be
putting bigger
pretty
orders.
big area?
Volume's another one. You said you saw a hold at what level and then push. So I said my alert was at 699.70. And before I signaled, because it got really close, it touched 699.69. It didn't hit my alert or trigger it, but it got really close. And so for me, wanting to signal that, I was waiting to be a little
Nvidia
safer.
didn't
Normally,
really
if
go
I wasn't
anywhere,
signaling
right?
that, I
So
probably would
you
have
wouldn't
gotten
really
it way
take that.
beforehand.
Yo,
Up because
would
I
you
was signaling. No, I'm not looking to retake this.
you wouldn't scalp it?
No. And so when I saw the
Especially on a
hold
Friday.
close to it, that's what gave me the confirmation of, okay, this is holding close to that 69.70 cent area where my entry was. I think this is a safe entry. Instead of normally what
Wait, why
Meta
didn't you
does
do the
typically at
700 one?
times is it'll get close to our entry level and then have a nasty wick.
Wait, those 700 ones were expensive. That's why.
George,
Yeah,
did you
there's a
retake
lot
this?
Yeah,
I
but
did.
then you said that you were
Looks
gonna go in light,
good.
so I was like,
I did,
700
but
one is pretty
only
expensive
because I
if you're gonna go in
did
light.
not that one that you signaled. I didn't execute properly.
Yeah.
That's why. I got a 2/3 left here.
Yeah, this one looked nice. The contracts did well on this one.
Yeah, makes sense.
I'll sell
Yeah.
another third here just in case we pull back. And sell the last third above 701 or 699.
Yeah, plus nigga, you need to you
holding
even said that you were
700.
gonna be going
Yeah.
you were gonna be going in really light
Just
for
let
the shit
this
because
one rock
like, you know,
here. 20 cents here. 8 cents on the ass left. 701's there.
yeah.
These contracts are moving, bro.
Yep.
Yeah.
How big is that wall, bruh?
There's no
At
wall.
700,
No
yeah.
wall?
Well, I
And
mean,
then
there's an
it just came back
1800
down.
wall.
People took their profits.
That's not
blah, blah, blah.
that. That's very little though.
If I would have traded it, I would have got
Just
filled
broke
at.
above 700 again.
Well, I'm looking
I
at
guess.
705s, but I would have got filled at
It wasn't
2 a
crazy though.
contract. So I'm
This
just
break
like
wasn't that
watching to see
crazy.
how it'll play out.
Alright, this is moving too close to the market here. It's still holding 700, so I'm gonna chill on this last third. Actually, you know what? I'm out on that.
Yeah, I was spying and QQQ were pushing.
Shit. Only because I'm trying to play it safe as possible here on a Friday. Trying to end after I made 6K yesterday, so.
Yeah, it's 2300.
I didn't.
Yeah.
I didn't want to say. I hate saying something when I'm not in a trade with somebody.
Dude,
'Cause I
this
was gonna
low-key not even that complicated. Just having like a simple ass strategy is it, I know, but like I'm saying, like realistically though, if you just stick to a simple strategy and just perfect it, you can make so much money, like really fast. Like not really fast, but like you know what I mean. Just mastering like a simple strategy, that's all that it is. It is. It's not like fucking rocket science, nigga. Like useless ass. Oh my god, nigga! I literally opened up Insta today and I was on Reels and niggas
Guys, I'm
are
looking
like,
at
this is the one
Tesla.
formula you need to success, and it's just a fucking ICT video.
Just watching this.
Oh my god, nigga!
I just want to see what this does because it looks like
Actually, like,
it doesn't really care
don't
much
know.
for the market
to
here.
be honest, I feel like I would be too lazy to watch ICT, nigga.
No.
Yeah,
Keep it. Damn, yeah, I get what you're saying. I don't
nigga,
know. I
some
was
nigga
gonna
in the
stick to the 300s, but I
I
don't know
was
how
trying
much
to
those
see
are gonna
like,
be
yo,
by the
which
time we get
niggas are
there.
actually falling for this. One nigga said he watched the ICT videos 3 times. That's actually crazy.
Yeah.
Nigga, it's so useless. Like, why the fuck would you watch it 3 times if you haven't made money once off of that shit? Nigga, why learn something that you don't make money off of? You haven't made money. What? Yeah.
Yeah, there's two
Dude,
trades I'm willing to
dude was
take on
91% on
Tesla.
the
It's
fucking
either
contest.
around that 296, 295 area, or if this gets strength without the market here. To the upside. So we'll see. I got both sides ready to go. Right now, we're obviously closer to the upside. Yeah, it's 303. But I want to be in earlier than that. Like right around 302.
Which one?
As long as we do
Yeah.
the right things here, then
Was
it
was
could be
that
a
because
really nice
296 was support
or
and
decent
then it
recovery
bounced off
here.
of there?
We'll see. I'm looking on the bigger time frames right now.
Yeah. So it's just ranging between 296 and like 300. Are you gonna like take it, or are you gonna like, you know, just paper? Let me try and read the fucking bid and the ask, nigga. Right now the ask is higher than the bid, right? Oh wait, the bid is higher than the ask, right? Wait, which one is the? Oh wait, no. Ask is wait, nigga, what?
NVIDIA, Frankie, or that's not there yet? You want what? 144?
Cents away. But yeah, I didn't even know
Well,
about that.
Nvidia now 144 break, right?
What's my alert on Nvidia?
Yeah.
Yeah, around 80 cents.
So I thought
Roughly.
bid and ask, reading the bid and ask was really good. 'Cause right now the bid is higher than the ask. Yeah, this shit moves too fast.
What is? Oh yeah. Kind of just waiting for that.
Yeah,
What, Meta?
useless.
You guys talking about Meta? Amazon.
Yeah.
George had that on his side watch, I believe.
Oh, I did talk about him. Not today though.
I think it's doing its own thing. It made way too. I think it made way too big of a move yesterday to really know if it's doing its own thing or not. But I think as of right now, I don't think it's doing anything with the
Wait, which one?
market.
Oh shit. Consolidating.
Yo,
Are you trying
nah.
to do a divergence play on Nvidia?
That's crazy.
Yeah.
He's Mubarak, bro.
You would prefer divergence because if anything does happen to the market, it would just fuck you over. Yeah.
Tesla's slipping a little bit. Yeah, that's what I'm watching. 295 puts on Tesla.
I feel like the biggest thing with trading, right, is like if you spend the time to like you
What
know
can he
watch the
take
charts
this
and do
around
that shit, I feel like you can learn like
296-ish?
decently fast.
We'll see. If this continues to show weakness.
Half size, Adam. You should always just go in lighter. You should always just generally rule of thumb do half your size. So like on Monday, if your position sizes are roughly 4,000, by the time it gets to Friday, you should be going in with 2,000 or less. Well, even if it's an intraday play, I mean, it should make you want to size a lot lighter because of that too. But
296.21. I think I'm going to take a half position. So I'm going to take a half position. That means half of what my Friday position would be. And then I'm going to take another half at 295. If you just want a quick scout, like an entry and an exit right after, then you'd wait for 295.21. For me, I'm looking for a full-on trade here. It's Friday.
these
So
contracts
makes-
are moving.
on what?
Tesla.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I was. Yeah, I was just on my phone watching it, bro.
Yo, Yo, Frankie, I worked my ass off to make 84,000 yesterday. I got home with Eddie and made 50 in 2 minutes.
That's so crazy, bro. Insane. It would have been like
You said what? You guys are talking? No.
I hear
Oh,
you,
I can hear him
Benji.
now.
That would have been like 150 without the video, right?
Oh yeah, 152. But if I was not driving home, it would have been like another 100, bro.
They're selfish, bro. I was telling them.
Nah, yeah, Eddie was in the back seat just cruising.
Yeah. Robinhood, okay, well, first off, J-Mick, we've told you week to week again, because I'm going to be honest, I don't feel sorry, because we've told you this multiple times now. Robinhood, first off, worst platform for scalping out there. We've told you for weeks now to switch to either Moomoo, Interactive, or TOS. I'll be quiet. Yep.
Yo, taking a half. Remember, I'm in half position. I'm taking a half there, and then I plan to take another half at 295 because it's Friday. But if you want just something quick, you wait for 295.21.
What's going on right now? Tesla?
Oh, here comes Tesla's bullshit. I added. You don't have to add. This could be your only. There it goes. Wow.
15 cents away on the bid.
I'm barely getting paid on these. No.
I'm getting paid crazy.
Really?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, broke.
Wow.
Oh my god.
I
All
thought
right,
that was-
then that's the trade right
Shit, you
there,
took that?
guys. Enjoy your Friday.
I took that with a light size too. I didn't even add.
I thought you were waiting for 296 break.
Nice, guys. That's all you needed for a Friday.
I got 430 to 497. Wow.
That's insane.
Like the 5 more round, I guess.
That was simple, right, Frankie?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got in at, at the 20
What'd you
cent
take it
mark.
at?
At your signal.
Yeah.
At your entry mark. The
Oh,
20
the first
cent.
one?
Yeah. mhm.
I mean, shit, yo.
I
you
was
made
thinking
it
about
nice.
adding on the way down, but I was like, you know what, bro?
Yo, cool.
Today's not the day for me to wild. That was yesterday if I wanted to wild out. I can't do it today.
Yeah, exactly. Today's not the day
Yeah.
for that.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually pretty
Yeah,
good.
that
Today's
too.
have fun. You don't have to think too much, just in and out.
Open up your calendar. Open up calendar. Open up calendar, nigga. On Moomoo. Yeah.
That was Tesla to
what?
the downside. The one that I signaled? Oh, that's
Oh,
just
shit.
same trade.
Hey, yeah.
Yeah. I'm about to sell half, guys. Right there.
Contracts did not make new highs right there.
Yeah. Not good at all, actually.
Oh shit, that's actually good.
Do we have any news that I need to worry about? The
Benji?
what?
Okay.
I have a feeling we're gonna look back later today. Just gonna do one of those moves from yesterday.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, now look at the contracts now,
Oh,
bro.
wow. Yeah. They jumped 30 cents right there.
George be like, Lordy law.
I'm surprised he's not yet.
What? Oh,
Saying Lordy Lord.
yeah, I know. It's giving up.
The way I
Wow.
think this is gonna play out, you're in a cell, and George is gonna be like, I'm still in my last third.
You know if it make what? Yeah, we just.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna be in.
I thought you were here.
I had a feeling. Same. Oh my god! I sold half on Tesla finally.
Yo, 580.
Yeah, my profits just went from 18K to 30K right there on that drop. Oh my god!
Green to
I'm
red.
about to get rid of it so I don't stress. Oh, here we go, guys. I'm about to sell the rest on the break. I'm out.
610.
Boom. I'm gonna show you guys my profits for a fucking Friday, man. Yo, Frankie, when
Yo.
remember I told you I was.
I was just about
Uh-huh.
to. I was about to ask you
Uh-huh.
about that.